If you're constantly busy but still not making real progress, and if your days disappear without anything important actually getting done, then this might be the most brutally honest system you'll see this year. Today, I'm reviewing the Brutal Time Management System, and I'll show you exactly what it is, who it's for, what's inside the dashboard, the optional upgrades, and the exclusive bonuses you'll get if you grab it through the link below. This is not another fluffy productivity course. No motivation talk, no pretty planners, no feel-good hacks. This is a system-based approach designed to force clarity, protect focus, and help you actually execute every single day. If you want structure instead of chaos, this is worth a serious look. So what exactly is the Brutal Time Management System? It's a done-for-you self-help PLR package built around one core problem. Most people don't have a time problem. They have a priority and execution problem. This system teaches how to stop confusing busyness with progress, eliminate distractions and fake work, assign every hour a clear job, build a daily execution system that actually sticks. It's designed for coaches and consultants, affiliate marketers, content creators, anyone overwhelmed by endless tasks, and anyone who wants a proven system instead of random tips. And if you're buying this as PLR, you can rebrand it, sell it, or use it to build a list. Let me quickly walk you through how this works. Once you log in, you get access to all the modules in one place. You'll see the main premium ebook with full editing rights, a step-by-step checklist for implementation, a visual mind map for quick clarity, a complete sales page and thank you page, a professionally written video sales letter, a lead magnet and opt-in page, follow-up email swipes, a full graphics pack including covers and banners, and license certificates with PLR rights. Everything is downloadable. You can edit it, brand it, or use it exactly as is. No tech headaches, no guesswork.
Time isn't just money, it's the non-renewable currency of your life, and most people waste it on urgency rather than impact. Do you ever end the day exhausted, yet still feel like you accomplished nothing that actually mattered? Do you keep making lists, downloading planners, watching productivity videos, then falling into the same chaos again? Do you feel like distractions, interruptions, and other people's priorities are running your schedule instead of you? You're not the problem. Your system is. Most people don't have a time issue. They have a priority issue. They confuse movement with progress. They fill their day with urgent tasks that don't move their life forward. They let notifications, random messages, and last-minute fires steal the best hours of their day. And then they wonder why nothing changes. Here's the brutal truth. If you don't control your time, something else will. And trying harder won't fix it. Motivation won't fix it. A prettier to-do list won't fix it. Because what you need isn't another tip. You need a system that forces clarity, protects focus, and demands execution. This isn't about color-coded calendars or feel-good productivity hacks. It's about ruthlessly eliminating time wasters, establishing unbreakable focus boundaries, and systematically executing on your highest leverage priorities every single day. It's a proven framework that transforms scattered effort into relentless forward progress on what genuinely moves the needle. Yet, too many professionals continue juggling endless tasks and responding to every demand, never realizing they're just one system away from reclaiming hours of their lives while multiplying their impact. Here's the transformative truth. Anyone can master their time with the right brutal systems and unwavering discipline. Drawing on peak performance research, cognitive science, and battle-tested methodologies from the world's most effective leaders, this guide shows you exactly how to identify your true priorities, protect your focus from invasion, and execute with precision day after day. It's designed for those ready to replace chaos with clarity and transform scattered activity into concentrated impact. Today, I'm excited to share these powerful techniques with you. This isn't just another time management book. It's your unapologetic blueprint for eliminating what doesn't matter so you can dominate what does. These principles go beyond mere productivity tips. They will also establish the foundation for you to create a 6-7-figure business empire concurrently by enabling others to reclaim their time, eliminate decision fatigue, and implement the ruthless prioritization systems that separate extraordinary achievers from the perpetually overwhelmed. For anyone tired of feeling constantly behind, interrupted by non-essential demands, or trapped in a cycle of busy work, this blueprint will be your key to transforming how you protect, invest, and leverage your most irreplaceable asset, your time.
Hi, this is Sean here, and on behalf of me and my partner Callie, we would like to introduce you to our latest self-help PLR. And this PLR will definitely blow you away. We share a common mission, that is to help people like you to create a thriving business that you are passionate about, so you can create real freedom for yourself and live the life you truly desire with private label rights. With your permission, let me ask you this. Are you ready to 10x your profit and catapult your business to a whole new level? If you answered yes, then you have finally reached the right place to skyrocket your business with almost zero effort on your part. Now, not tomorrow, not in 12 months' time. Truth is, most online business owners give up just when they're about to make their next breakthrough. They quit on the 1-yard line, and I don't want you to be one of them. I'm going to show you how you can grab your slice from the $20 billion opportunity if you stick with me till the end. Here are some common myths when it comes to making money online. Nope, you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a tech geek. Heck, you don't even have to spend hours ransacking the entire internet on strategies to make money online, which most of them don't work. So, what is the secret when it comes to building a long-term profitable business? Think of all the top online business owners who are profiting at least 6 figures monthly. What do they have in common? They have their own product, courses, and that's how they built their brand. That said, the key to bringing your business to a whole new stratosphere is to have your own quality content in the market, to the right audience, in the hottest niche, and at the right time. That's how you brand yourself as an authority figure and make your mark in your niche. However, product creation requires tons of hard work. The good news is, I have a solution for you. What if I can provide you massive high-quality content so you can dominate the self-help niche with ease? What if I can shortcut the entire product creation process for you, provide you with a working business model, so that you can start building your own lists and even generating sales right away? What if I do all the market research, handle all the stress and hard work for you, so that all you need to do is sit back, relax, and watch your business grow? Today, I'm going to give you full access to a brand new, 100% unique product that you can sell to keep 100% of the profits.
Introducing the brutal time management system with full unrestricted PLR rights. This is one of the biggest topics in self-help. This PLR blueprint is perfect for those who want to stop being busy without results, take back control of their hours, and build a daily structure that forces real progress. This transformational blueprint covers everything you need to know about ruthless clarity and practical execution. How to stop pretending you'll find time, expose fake work, prioritize with consequences, assign every hour a job, start even when you don't feel like it, train focus like a skill instead of wishing you had more willpower, and much more waiting to be uncovered inside. Ultimately, this is your customer's go-to self-help guide for those who are 100% committed to stop negotiating with time, protect their attention like it actually matters, and execute daily with a system that doesn't care about their mood.
One massive blueprint jam-packed with valuable information that your customers would thank you for. All with full unrestricted private label rights. You can sell for 100% profits, edit the content, rebrand, put your name as the author, do a giveaway for your list, build and grow your own membership site, feed your blog, repurpose the product, and do whatever you want that fits your marketing needs, and so on. The choice is ultimately yours. Look, you're not looking at some crappy, scammy, third-rate business opportunity here. Our team and I have worked hard to ensure that you'll get a complete, well-researched, and highly in-demand PLR package with full sales funnel, with impeccable content and beautiful graphics so that you can easily make a killing online. We've literally done all the heavy lifting for you. You get a total of 10 big modules for the entire package.
That includes the complete checklist, mind map, DFY high-converting sales page and thank you page, hypnotizing video sales letter, DFY email swipes, the entire graphic vault and license certificates. Also, you will get your exclusive 4,000-word, 7-day challenge to build a brutal daily schedule you actually follow special report, alongside with done-for-you landing page to build your list and even pre-sell right from the get-go. That's a full-blown PLR package right there that saves you a tremendous amount of time and money if you choose to outsource the whole thing. In other words, you don't have to waste your time on niche research. You don't have to burn thousands of dollars on expensive copywriters or graphic designers. You don't have to drive yourself nuts with endless content creation.
Really now, producing your own content can take up a lot of free time that can otherwise be spent on other things like affiliate marketing, coaching programs, or closing high-ticket sales. Why start everything from scratch when you can have a high-quality, done-for-you product at your disposal? And if you act today, you'll also score some fast-action bonuses. This is for a limited time only, so if these bonuses are still listed below, you're still in time. Now, for an extremely limited time, we're offering this complete PLR package for far less than the lowest price of any PLR product you can see out there. Don't let the extremely low price fool you though. One of the core principles of our business is to make sure that you get the best value from us. So for a very limited time, we're giving away our top PLR package with high converting materials at basement price. I want to keep my promise to you that you can get everything you see on this page for an extremely affordable investment. Special discount only applies during this launch exclusive. Once the timer hits 0, the price will be radically increased. No ongoing fees or monthly fees. One unbelievable low price for a full-blown PLR package with exceptional contents, fully integrated with high-converting sales funnel, ready to generate you continuous profits from just one sale. Now, even a no-brainer knows that this is a golden opportunity that doesn't come often. If you're afraid of getting stuck with another poor quality PLR, remember that you're backed by our rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. We are so convinced that this is the best investment you could ever make, that we are going to take all the risk away from you. At this very moment, really now, there's no way you can lose with this 100% winning deal if you act today. So why wait? Click on the order button below.
Let the brutal time management system PLR build the online freedom that you always wanted.
Now let's talk about the optional upgrades. These are completely optional, but here's what they include. OTO1 is the PLR Pro upgrade. This adds video versions of the content, slides, transcripts, audio files, and upgraded PLR rights, ideal if you want multi-format content. OTO2 is a special PLR bundle where you get multiple best-selling PLR products in one package. OTO3 is a done-for-you funnel installation, perfect if you don't want to touch any tech. OTO4 is the VIP membership, which gives you access to new PLR releases every month with recurring commissions. Again, optional. The front end alone already delivers strong value. Now, this is important. If you grab the brutal time management system through the link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonus stack designed to help you actually use or profit from this. Here's what you'll get. Bonus 1, Time Blocking Execution Blueprint, a simple daily structure that forces action. Bonus 2, Anti-Distraction Digital Setup Guide, eliminate focus killers in under 30 minutes. Bonus 3, 30 high-converting self-help headlines, perfect for sales pages, emails, or ads. Bonus 4, PLR Rebranding Checklist, a step-by-step guide to make PLR look original and premium. Bonus 5, Fast Start Funnel Map, shows how to launch this in one weekend. Bonus 6, Email Monetization Swipe File, turn leads into buyers without sounding salesy. Bonus 7, Productivity Offer Angle Generator, instant angles for ads and content. Bonus 8, Authority Positioning Mini Guide, how to sell self-help without pretending to be a guru. Bonus 9, Traffic Sources for Self-Help Offers, free and low-cost traffic methods that still work. And bonus 10, Buyer's List Growth Playbook, turn one product into long-term income. You'll see these bonuses mentioned again below the video. They are only available through this page. Final verdict. If you want a proven time management system, high-quality PLR you won't be embarrassed to sell, a complete funnel already done for you, and exclusive bonuses to increase results, then the Brutal Time Management System is a solid buy. Important note, my bonuses are limited and will expire once the launch window closes or once the bonus slots are filled. So if you're watching this now, click the link below before the page updates. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest Warrior Plus reviews. To get access to the Brutal Time Management System and all the exclusive bonuses I mentioned, click the link below this video. You'll see the bonuses automatically added after purchase. Talk soon, and I'll see you in the next review.